What's up everyone? Hope you're doing well today. My name is Qasim, and today I want to share with you a bunch of free wallpapers for your iPhone. Now I've been using the Backdrops app. I'll leave a link in the description so you guys can download this app for yourself and check it out. What I love about this app is that there's a bunch of free high quality wallpapers. They also have a pro version which will give you access to even more wallpapers and higher quality ones. So definitely check out the app. But what I've been doing is that as I've been finding wallpapers, I've just been organizing them into different categories so I could share them with all of you. So none of these wallpapers are mine. I didn't create them. I don't own them. I'm just taking the free ones, none of the pro ones, just the free ones, and sharing them with all of you. Now the reason I've done this, guys, is because certain keywords that you're going to search for in the app, it's just not going to show any wallpapers for it. For example, I have the Baby Yoda wallpaper on my iPhone 12 mini, and if you search for Star Wars in that app, you're not going to find it. But if you were just scrolling through the app and looking at different wallpapers available, you'll randomly come across it. So I've noticed that so many times that certain keywords that you want to search for, it's not going to pull up all the wallpapers that are actually available in the app. So as I've been liking certain wallpapers, I've just been saving them and organizing them into different categories so that it'll be easier for you guys to find. Now, I highly recommend that you download the pro version of the app because it's going to help the creators of the app make some money. They put a lot of work. I mean, these wallpapers are really awesome. So they put a lot of work into this. And so if you want to show your support for them, definitely consider buying the pro version of the app, because everything I'm sharing with you is just all the free ones that you can find on your own, but I've just organized them. Now down below in the description, you guys are going to find a link to one of my shared iCloud folders. All you have to do is click on that link from your iPhone or your iPad, and you'll be able to get in there and see all the different wallpapers that I've personally liked and curated for you guys. Now, another thing to keep in mind, guys, is that as time passes and as I come across more good wallpapers that I personally like, I'll be adding them into these folders. So you can come back to this link at any time and see if I've made any updates. But any of these images you'll be able to open up, save it, and then set it as a wallpaper for your iPhone or your iPad. Now, some of the wallpapers in here are a larger dimension than what's going to be suitable for your iPhone. So just keep that in mind. They'll probably work better on your iPad, and on your iPhone, they'll be a little cropped down. But majority of them are perfect for the iPhone 12 mini, 12 Pro, or really any iPhone. I really hope that you guys find this video helpful. I hope that you like the wallpapers that I've curated. And like I said before, keep coming back and checking to see when I add new wallpapers. With that said, guys, thank you so much for your time today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below with any questions about the link or anything that you'd like to say. And most importantly, guys, take care of yourselves, and I will see you all in the next video.